if you wanted to turn your course into an app, you would go to a developer and you would pay out the nose. And when it was all said and done, you would continue to pay out the nose for bugs and fixes and updates and all that. And it's just not doable for some folks. Whereas where the Learn World system is, what would you say? It's I don't want to say drag and drop probably doesn't do it justice, but it's designed in a way that it won't break down, and it doesn't require an army of developers. It just got to get someone in there like Shib to just bolt it together. I know we're
Yes, you are correct.
yeah.
So when, the alternative option, if you're not using LearnWorlds and if you want to create an app, right, what you'll have to do, you will have to hire a team of developers. And trust me, that doesn't come cheap. If you want developers to get apps built for you, I mean, working, good looking apps which actually work without bugs, right? That does not come cheap.
No.
So LearnWorlds, yeah, that really costs a lot. LearnWorlds, what it has done, it has created the framework for you wherein you can, build your own app, right? It's not a drag and drop. Some development needs to be done. I mean, that's where I come in. I do the heavy lifting for our clients who, come and work with us here. We build the apps and we make sure that it is launched following the best practices in App Store, in Google Play Store. All the client has to do is that whatever codes they're building, they are launching it inside their school, right? And it is in real time, right? It is real time synced with their app as well. LearnWorlds take all of those backend things which you would, kind of need to hire developers or maintenance people to make sure that it is running if you're doing it outside the platform. But LearnWorlds, again makes it super easy for you, and it takes care of all the heavy lifting for you so that you can just hit the ground running.